All right, guys, I have an amazing story, little video. Kind of has to do with fishing, definitely has to do with the channel. So, this drone. About a year ago, I flew it into a cliff in the dark and it hit a tree and landed, and it was on top of it. I couldn't get there, it was way high. This was March 2023. I'm out there testing the spotlight I put on the front of the boat that's removable, as well as my boat lighting, those red lights that you see I'm turning on. And I just wanted to see the drone capture that and see what it looked like in the dark. And then right here, you see the forest, and it's amazing. And I just backed just enough into a tree and bam, there it is. You can see the tree limbs plain as day. The camera's working. So, yeah. The water had receded quite low. I mean, this cliff was 40, 50 feet straight up, and the way to get to it on each side was sketchy as all get out. I gave it a couple looks over the year and kind of chalked it up as a loss. About a week ago, 2 weeks ago, Phil and I were out there, and he's looking at it, and he's like, I could do it. I could climb up there off the boat and scale the cliff. And the water come up quite a bit since that conversation, honestly, and it put it in a decent spot. It was still about 30 feet up.
It should be right up here above that pine tree.
Next to that dead tree, right?
That right there.
It's still there.
Get close to the wall.
Are you gonna do it?
I'm gonna try.
Hold on, Phil. Hold on. Okay, Phil has... He's going for it. Phil is... What I don't want to do, though, is be in the way if he falls. Can you come back the same way you just climbed up? The drone is right there. Phil is... he's gonna get the drone. Now, my biggest worry here is he's got the DJI. Is there missing a leg?
No.
It just collapsed.
Just fold it. No.
It's got my sticker on it?
Yeah.
Hold on, hold it up. Yeah, there it is. Damn, dude. Okay. Let's go pick up Phil now. He's way up there, you guys. I forgot to tell you, he doesn't know how to swim. He is. Okay, do you want to throw the drone to me?
Yep.
Okay, I'm coming in.
Ready?
Oh my God, I can't believe this is in my friggin' hands. We gotta get Phil now safely. So that's the trick now. So the drone's safe. You want to come over here?
Yep.
Come around that tree, this bush, and then start your... I'm gonna pull back a minute just because of falling rocks. Okay. Phil's traversing it nicely. I'm not gonna give him too much shit. He's doing exactly what he should be. Ah, another. Okay. What do you want to do, buddy? I'll do whatever you want. Okay, I'm coming in. And he scaled that and got the drone. You could see it. I mean, we'd seen it for months, just chilling there. And nobody really, I don't think anybody saw it. Like I said, it had been there for a year. So I don't know if it works. I have no idea, you guys. What I do know is the battery still has a little life. So I'm going to take the SD card out of this. We're going to go see if that works first. I've been looking. I have found so far just half of what it takes to charge this. I don't know where my charging cord is. I cleaned up since I lost it, and I don't know where it went. So I can't really charge it right now, but what I can, oh, you know what? I got batteries that are charged. Hang tight. Where's my Pelican case? Okay. I don't know if this stuff hasn't been used in over a year, you guys, so I don't know what we're gonna get. I forget how to turn it on. There we go. This thing's deader than disco. Well, the remote's dead. So what we can do though, we can see if it turns on. The fact that this thing is still like 100% in decent looking shape. I mean, everything's a little tight. Looks like I broke a rotor during that crash. Oh my God, you guys. Okay, that battery's not happy. So let's see what we can do. You know what we should do? I mean, the connections, I mean, there's nothing corroded. But I feel like we should kind of give it a cleaning. Okay, that was that battery. This battery says it's got, remember, these things haven't been started for a long time. Oh my God, you guys, it works. The friggin' drone still works. What? I gotta figure out how to charge this thing. This is nuts. All right. Anyway, you guys, this is exciting. We got the drone back. I don't know. We'll see if it really works or not. I got to find all the bits and pieces. I think I got some new rotors. Yes, I do. So I do have new rotors. I just got to figure out where my charging stuff is. And yes, what a save. Thank you, Phil. The fact that this thing is trying to work, we'll see. That light's a little dim. That's encouraging though. And the gimbal got right in shape. And it shuts off too, just like it should. The thing that encouraged me a lot was as soon as it fired up, the gimbal did its little routine and then centered. This is a big problem with these drones, is the gimbal tape can get screwed up in one little crash and party's over. This one's in good shape.
Landing.
Holy crap, it works, you guys. I'm blown away. Look at this. Those batteries have been sitting for over a year, and this is the original DJI Mavic Pro, the first version. So the fact that this thing works, the camera works. Here, let me give you a little example.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
All right, just to give you an example, look at the camera is working 100% there. Looking at my, look at that. Neat. Let's fly it for a minute. There's a hummingbird chasing the drone. I'm telling you right now, DJI doesn't pay me, but the Mavic drones are legit, man. This thing lived in the harshest environment for over a year in the woods. Unbelievable that this thing still works 100%. I'm blown away. So if you're in the market to buy a used one and you know it works and everything's good about it, don't hesitate. The price is right on these. Can't believe it works. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you real soon. Take it easy.